everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Poppy and this is Tony.
Hi, I'm Tony. I'm very glad to be here today. What are we drawing today, Poppy?
We are going to draw the Cape Egmont Lighthouse. Do you know about this lighthouse? Have you been there before?
I haven't been there before, but I know that it's split in northern and southern Taranaki bights.
That's cool. Do you know more information about this?
It's located beside Mount Taranaki. It was originally at Mana Island, but it was moved to Mount Egmont after. It has been shining since 1881.
Wow, Tony, you're such a professional of this lighthouse. Okay, shall we start to draw the lighthouse?
Yes.
So before we draw the lighthouse, we need to get those material ready. We use the marker for the draft and use the light gray for the cast shadow of the lighthouse, and we use red for the door and some green color for the land. Okay, let's start to draw the lighthouse. We use the marker first. We need to make sure our lighthouse drawing in the middle of the paper. So we start to draw an oval in the top of the middle. Do you know where's the ovals for? What's the ovals for? The
It's
line.
to tell the ships that were going across.
Yeah.
There's rocks beside
Yeah, that's where's the light come from. Okay. Then we adding like a little rectangle for the lighthouse roof. Yeah. Then we extend the lighthouse a bit longer. Okay. Then add one more floor for it. Okay, now we need to make a pond to make sure how long's the lighthouse. We can draw a line down here. Okay, now we extend the light for the lighthouse a bit longer, like the main part. Tony, do you know the interesting thing about this lighthouse? The main part of this lighthouse built in London and is shipping to New Zealand.
I didn't know about that.
Yeah. Okay, we can draw a land for the lighthouse. Okay, now we finish the foundation of the lighthouse. Okay, now we're adding a door. We can extend more details for the door. Now adding the part which the place people can stand in front of the lighthouse. Adding the lines. And draw the curved line. Okay, then extend it longer. One more layer of that. Doing a great job. Okay, adding more details for it. Yeah, that's cool. Now we're adding more windows like each side, 3 of them. How many windows we can see in this side?
6.
Yeah. Okay. Drawing more details for the foundation. Just adding those short lines. And adding details for the roof. Now we can change to the fin sign to draw more details like the texture for the building. You can draw some nice short line around. Yeah, you can draw a bit here. That's cool. We can also draw those lines like where's the light from, like that. Showing to the people on the sea. Amazing. So now we use the light grade to draw a cat shadow for the lighthouse. So if the sun is going in this way, where's the shadow should be?
On the right side.
Yeah, that's right. So drawing the shadow, draw a line first, yeah, and the shadow a bit under this way, and extend it longer. Yep, so this the shadow should be, then we color in gray. It's better you use your marker like color in one way, it's more smooth. After the cat shadow, the lighthouse looks so 3D. Tony, you're really good at coloring. That looks so cool. Don't forget to color in a bit shadow for the foundation. Okay, let's move the paper bit. Okay. Now we use the red color for the door. And a bit for the roof. Okay. Then we use green to draw the horizontal line, the grassland. Wow, that looks amazing. At the end part, we can use the light gray to draw a bit more details for the windows. Like just trace the rectangle, just trace 2 lines. Okay, how about the other part? Well done, Tony. We did amazing work today. So this is our final result of the Cape Egmont Lighthouse. Since we have like different color glass.
Mine's in the summer and yours is in the winter, so mine would be way more yellow after the brightness of the sun shined on it.
Wow, Tony, you know a lot about that. I learned a lot of knowledge from you today. So how do you feel about this drawing today?
I feel like this drawing isn't that hard and it's pretty fun to draw.
That's cool. We can draw a better one next time. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you have any question or anything you would like us to draw, please comment below.
Smash like button and subscribe to us.
See you next time. Bye.